안녕하세요, I'm Jia. Today we're going to make a fancy beef patties called Tteokgalbi. This dish was a royal court cuisine, and nowadays many Korean fine dining restaurants include this dish on their menu. Traditionally, beef ribs are used for this recipe. Today we're going to use sirloin. Let's start from making a sauce. We need a little bit of vegetables. Let's use only about 4 to 5 centimeters of leek, or you may use green onion. We're going to chop them. We need about 1 tablespoon of onion and same amount of green onion and a little bit of garlic. So this much should be enough. And then it's garlic. Now we want to add the rest ingredients. Start from soy sauce. This is 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Brown sugar 2 tablespoons. Only a pinch of salt. Ground black pepper. And then 2 tablespoons of rice wine. Mix well. And we're going to set this aside for about 5 minutes. We're going to use 400 grams of beef sirloin. We're going to cut it. It will help if you put this in the freezer for about an hour. It's much easier to cut. We are making beef patties, but the key concept of this dish is to keep the texture of the meat. Thinly slice the meat into the strips. You don't have to cut the meat too small because we want to keep the texture of the beef. Now let's put this in a sauce. Okay, all is mixed. We're going to knit this until they're all together for about 5 minutes. The meat is all well mixed with marinade. Now let's shape it. To make the patties in a similar size, it's nice to divide this in 4 and then shape it. This is the second one. Carefully shape them so that they don't fall apart. Press down a little bit using a spoon, just a little bit, because in the middle it rises quite a lot. So press down a little bit. Okay. Let's heat the pan over medium-high heat. And then drizzle about 1 teaspoon, just a little bit of cooking oil to the pan. Tteokgalbi, the name comes from the way the minced meat is kneaded and shaped as rice cakes. So it seems that the rice cakes look like a patty a long time ago. We are cooking tteokgalbi in a frying pan today, but if you are cooking a large quantity of this, you can do it at the oven. Set the oven to a broil and then cook for 4 to 5 minutes. And then carefully flip them and then cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes until nicely charred. You can also grill it. Here you go. Tteokgalbi is one of my favorite meat dishes. I hope you like it as well. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.